Okay, this is going to be the little maiden with the 3-bladed head. I don't generally use a canopy in the beginning in case we have problems, so we'll put this canopy on in a minute. But for now, we're just going to hover it. We're going to hover it in safe mode and maybe flip it over once. Then we'll put the canopy on. Sounds really smooth. So these are all stock settings. I didn't change anything. My tail rotor's got a different PID, but the head is what came out of the box. So it's very stable. And go to idle 1 here. So this is idle 1. Oh yeah. This is just the lower head speed. I've got a higher one now. High head speed. Blades are very stable. You can hear the tail more than you can hear the triple blades. Let's put that canopy on here. Nice mellow normal mode. Let's go ahead and put the canopy on. Remember, the canopy is 15 grams, so it's going to add some weight to the flight performance. New canopy. Remember, the canopy is 15 grams heavier, so let's see how that affects it. So the head gain changes. The triple bladed head is awesome. Now we're going to put the stock canopy back on for a second. So this canopy is 15 grams. We'll put the 5-gram canopy on. Okay, here's the stock canopy, what we're going to call the lightweight canopy. It's a 5-gram canopy. The new one's 15 grams, so this should be a little more performance. I really like it, actually. The head's nice. I think the helicopter actually flies better than it did. Rightfully so, for spending more money on it. I noticed my low voltage alarm goes off a little more on high head speed. Let's try low, see if it still goes off. Okay, the battery's dead, guys. That's pretty good. I really like the head. I want to thank MicroHeli. Thank you, MicroHeli. It's pretty awesome in my dried up California yard. Thank you.